Good morning. It is Monday morning, the start of a new vlog. Just had to show you cute kitty in a basket. Does that basket just fit you perfectly? It does. She's very mad at me because we clipped her nails and gave her flea medication today. So it is Monday night, and these are the pieces that I'm wrapping up to ship tomorrow. The mailman finally came today, this afternoon. I thought I was going to go another day without a carrier pickup, and I was going to have to call or contact people and let them know that their packages were being delayed, but fortunately I didn't have to do that. So anyway, I sold these two Navajo rings to one person. Turquoise and coral. This one sold for $57, and this one sold for $51, and these are going to Australia. And then I also sold this sterling silver Scottish pin by an artist named Ola Gorey. These are very collectible, and if I could just show you the mark, I would. But you're not going to be able to see it. It's right there. It's, anyway, it's, I can't talk tonight. $95 is what this sold for. So I was very pleased with that. I don't remember where I got this brooch. I think it came in a eBay haul, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I remember doing some research on it and being very pleased to find out what it was. Alright, so I did list some things today, but I forgot to show you while the light was good, so I'll show them. I'll do a snippet tomorrow morning and show them to you. Hi there, it is Tuesday morning, and as promised, I'm going to show you some things that I listed yesterday and today. And I'm going to start with this. This is the second of the sterling silver and turquoise Navajo pendants that I got. The first one sold right away because someone asked me to do the listing and reserve it for her. So, but I do have one left, and it's really beautiful. It's beautifully made. $34 on that. And then we have the little jade butterfly with the coral eyes. These are very plentiful in the marketplace, so I did not price it very high. I priced it at $19. And then we have this Victorian porcelain brooch. It is not hand painted, I don't think. It's pretty convincing, but I think it was done with like a lithographic process. If you look really, really close, you probably can't see here, but there are dots, little tiny dots. But the effect is beautiful, and she's such a beautiful woman. I love the colors, the kind of subdued brown and gray-green. And that I listed for $28, I think. And then we have this Victorian-style Carnelian brooch. It is not sterling silver, but it's pretty convincing. It's just the ornate design of it is just beautiful. I'm pretty sure it's a retro piece, maybe from the 60s, 70s, 80s. Who knows? It's hard to know. It's not marked, but it's in beautiful condition. And listed that one for $22. And my little turtle, I call him a Jelly Belly style because he's definitely not a true Jelly Belly because, oh yay, I had a sale. True Jelly Bellies are clear glass only. But he's definitely inspired by Jelly Belly. Very cute little guy. Let's see. Listed the turtle for, oh, where'd it go? $22. And then this little cross, the guilloche enamel. I love the pink color. It's usually white background on these kind of things, and the pink is a little bit different. It's got the traditional painted rose, and the rhinestones, almost all of them dark, but you know, none missing, and it still has a really neat look to it. Very, very mid-century piece. Let's see, that listed for 18. And then the last item are these Gigantor dangle earrings. Tested these with the UV light. Come on, well, one of the dangles is, there it goes. And the brown ones test as definitely amber. The egg yolk color ones don't. So I don't know whether it's a combination of real and fake amber, or if it's real amber, it just doesn't happen to be fluorescing under the light. I don't know. But anyway, I put a pretty low price on them. I can't read my own writing. $22 on those. Those are probably 1980s. So that's it. Those are all the recent listings. So this is one of our 2 oranges that we grew this year, that Rob grew, I should say. I didn't really have anything to do with it, but look at the size of that puppy. I put it next to a spoon so you can see how big it is. So exciting. I can't wait to see what it tastes like, if he'll share it with me. But isn't that something? Hi there. It is, what is it, Tuesday night, and these are a few things that I'm wrapping up to ship tomorrow. We have this really pretty embroidered purse, kind of almost a laptop bag size, with a short shoulder strap. It's really a pretty piece of embroidery, and that sold for $29. And then this is an Indonesian rice scoop made from a carved bovine horn, and these are Indonesian shadow puppets. That's what that image is, which I remember doing the research on that. It took me a while to figure out what the heck it was. But anyway, that sold for $28. Let's see, the purse was $29, scoop was $28, and this is a Guatemalan hand-woven, like a sash or a scarf in rainbow colors. Really pretty. That sold for $26. So this is another attempt at cooking by me. Last time I did a recipe, it was very similar to this, but I just decided to try a little bit different one. And this one is acorn squash with quinoa and some dried fruit and chopped almonds on the top. It has a little bit of garlic in it also, so it's kind of a sweet and savory. It's got apricots, raisins, and craisins, and that's about it. It was a pretty simple recipe. It wasn't too hard to make, so we'll see how it tastes. So we're going to do a tasting like the chefs do on TV. It looks kind of lumpy. I don't think it's too bad. Sorry, kind of messy, but yeah, I can live with that. First up is this Indonesia hand-carved and painted gecko wall hanging. And let's see, he sold for $29. And then this, I just listed this last week. Little guilloche enamel cross in a pink color, which is really fun, with rhinestones. Little necklace. And that sold for $18. We have this, I believe this is a silver-plated handmade bangle from Mexico. It's marked 925, but I tested it and it's not sterling. That's so annoying. But it looks good. And that's sold for $18. I have this cute little floral brooch with enamel and rhinestones, and that sold for $15, and that one is plus shipping. Most everything else is either free shipping or sometimes it's plus international shipping. I had, in fact, I think 3 orders here are international orders. I have one going, this one I think is going to Switzerland, and a couple are going to the UK. And this is a Victorian, little hand-painted. Sorry, camera batteries went on me. I think we were talking about this little Victorian hand-painted brooch. And that sold for $38. And, oh, this cute sterling silver and marcasite flamingo brooch. I really don't know too much about that, but it's awfully cute. Kind of surprised it hasn't sold before now. Flamingo sold for $35. And then lastly, we have this fun antique bottle. And it says, let's see, okay, so on this side it says Dr. Oh, I can't read it. Oops. Dr. S. Pictures. Dr. S. Pictures Castoria. And I put a little cork in it. This probably was dug by a bottle digger. Looks like it's been a little bit weathered. I remember getting this at a flea market a while back, and I knew it wasn't valuable or anything. I just, for some reason, it just drew me in, and so I've had it sitting in my office in the window for all this time. But I sold it, and sold for $17 plus shipping. Hi there, it is Thursday night, and I'm wrapping up some orders. So I'll just show you real quick what they are. This is a lot of 4 really fun boho beaded necklaces. These are just really fun. Just all different kinds here, and mostly natural materials. I think that's some kind of shell or bone. Little heishi shells in this one. These are ceramic beads. But anyway, just a lot of 4 necklaces. And those sold for $28. And then this, I think I listed it this week, is the jade hand-knotted bead necklace and matching earrings, which sold for $38. Then we have this Danecraft sterling silver brooch from the 1950s, I would imagine. That sold for $38. And then this, to one of my repeat customers, it's 2 items. The first item is 2 pair of listener rhinestone and pearl earrings, clip-ons, and those sold for $22. And then this also is a recent listing. I think it may have been this week, of cubic zirconia and gold-plated Demi-Hoop earrings. Really nice ones. And those sold for $18. Real fast, this order just came in for these 2 items. This is a lovely buckle. I've just never seen anything quite like it. It's so cool. That sold for $32. And this is a little Mexican silver perfume funnel. It is signed, but as is often the case, I could not identify the artist, but it's lovely. And that sold for $29. And yeah, that's all. So these are a couple of things that I'm packaging up to ship tomorrow. We have these Siam silver peacock earrings. These are a little cut above most of the Siam silver. It's kind of different and really pretty. They're screwback earrings. I just love all the detail on them. Those sold for $26, $20, $24. $24, I think that's a bargain. And then this Weiss pink and red rhinestone crescent moon brooch It's really huge, and it's just gorgeous. I do believe this is Juliana Construction. Delisa and Elster is the company that makes jewelry for other companies, including Weiss, and referred to as Juliana because Juliana was their brand name that they briefly sold under. But usually they made most of their jewelry for other people. And I think that's what this is. But it's a beauty. That sold for $46. Oh, sorry, my focus is not very good. But I think you can see him.
Hi there, it is Saturday morning, and I'm finally going to get around to showing you some things I've been listing over the last 2 or 3 days, remembering to do it while I still have the nice daylight.
Okay, I'm going to start with this really nice quality rhinestone. I think it's really long, so it could be worn as an anklet or a very long bracelet. It is 8.5 inches long. The stones are really beautiful. I think they may be cubic zirconia, and the metal is sterling silver with a gold wash. Really nicely made. This might be a QVC type product. So that was listed for $24. And then this is a sterling silver and hematite set. It's a pendant necklace with these delicate little clip-on earrings. Sterling silver, did I mention that? It has kind of an old-looking mark. I'd say this is mid-century or earlier. The chain has a mark of Ambrust, A-M-B-R-U-S-T, and I discovered that Ambrust is a chain company. They've been around for a very long time, and they're still around. So, hard to know what the age of the chain is, but anyway, a lovely little set. That listed that for $28. And we have the purple rhinestone bracelet with a little dangly spherical charm studded with more purple rhinestones. All prong set, nicely put together. Mid-century piece, really cute. That listed for $18. And then yet another rhinestone bracelet. This one is in particularly nice condition. The stones are all really beautiful. No dark ones, nothing missing. It's really nice. Listed that for $22. And we have this is kind of a more modern looking, like barely vintage, rainbow stones, silver and gold colored. This one's not, is this one sterling? I can't remember. I don't think it is. Anyway, that's nice. Nice quality, good stones. Let's see, listed that for $22. And then this, in the haul video, I identified it as Bowman, but it's actually Roman is the brand. Nice rhinestone bracelet, probably about 1970s on this one. It's also got really pretty stones, good condition. Let's see, that listed for $24. And we have some rings. We have this Mexican dome ring. Looks kind of like a flower. It's really big and showy. It's a nice big size. I think it's a size 8. And that $35 on that one. And let's see, then we have this sterling silver and blue topaz ring. Really nice condition, beautiful stone. That one was $29. Then we have, this is really old, and it is distressed, but it's an Art Deco ring. Probably dates from about the 1920s. It's missing a prong, and the stone could probably be polished out. But I was able to, I don't know that you're ever going to be able to see the marks. They're very, very tiny marks inside the band. But it is rolled gold plated. It's 1/30th 14 karat rolled gold plated, and then it has a maker mark of an M and an H. And I was actually able to figure out who that was, which I don't have written down right now. But it's a company that's been around, I believe, since something like 1907. And that trademark was registered in the 1950s, and consequently a lot of people are identifying their jewelry as 1950s. But I think the mark was probably used long before it was trademarked, because this is not a 1950s ring. This is definitely older than that. I really like it. Let's see, and I listed that for $34. And then we have this cute little elephant ring, 3 little elephants on it, sterling silver on that one. That was $24. And where'd it go? Oh yes, this is a hematite ring. This is a Wheeler manufacturing ring, sterling silver. It's kind of a Navajo style. Wheeler Manufacturing provided jewelry for southwestern souvenir stands all over the country, well, all over the Southwest. So it's unclear whether it was made by a Native American or not, but it's pretty. And that was listed for $32. And then, all right, well, I apparently did not write down the price on this set of onyx beaded jewelry. We have a necklace and a bracelet and some earrings. These are like, it's a mid-century set. It's hand knotted, really beautiful. Beautiful stones. And because for whatever reason I did not write down the price on that. Oh yes, I did. Sorry, I did. It's $32 for that whole set. That's a good price. Okay, well, that was just a marathon. So I bet you can't guess where I'm going. Yes, you probably can. I'm going on another picnic adventure. It's Sunday. It's a beautiful sunny day. The temperature's in the 60s, and we're going possibly to a park we haven't been to before. I don't think we have. But we've been to so many now that I am having trouble remembering. I should have started a list, but I didn't. So anyway, I will see you when we get there. Okay, so we found the park. We haven't been to it before. And there's the entrance to the nature trail. And we have a pretty nice view. We have these nice trees. And so we're going to have our lunch, which is, I haven't showed you my lunch in a while. Oh, I can't get to it with one hand. It's a bagel sandwich, citrus fruit, granola bars, and chocolate kisses, and iced tea in water bottles. Oops. Okay. That's it. Okay, so here is the entrance to the nature trail. And we're just going to go for a little walk. There's a birdie. Oh, that is a yellow-rumped warbler. One of our faves. Oh, it's a wetlands park. Nice. Oh, surely there's more than that. That's the river right beyond that berm. Is that what you call that, a berm?
Sure.
Okay. Right or left? Let's go right. Oh. This just goes up to the side of the river. Let's go the other way then. I know. What is that? Can't see anything. Oh, look at that. What's that?
It's a corvid. Is that what's making those noises?
I think it is.
It's not a corvid noise. A hawk noise?
I don't know. It's just too silly. Yeah, it is a hawk. It's definitely making that noise. Cool. Hi, hawk. It's a little one. How do we get to that bridge? Alright, well, I guess we'll just keep going. Maybe this goes in a circle and comes back that way. I don't know.
This way. On the way back.
Let's do it on the way back. I bet you it goes in a circle. Ooh, horse poopy.
Horse poop and dog poop.
Yeah, horse poop doesn't smell bad. Well, I like the smell of horse poop, but I'm weird. Just reminds me of horses, and I like horses. Like most little girls, I wanted a horse really, really bad. These are some interesting trees. These have got very, very long branches. I don't know what kind of trees these are. Can you tell what kind of trees they are? Oh, look at this. That's crazy looking. Oh, there's a horse. How fun. Here's something rustling in there. Oh, I want a lizard. What'd you find? Did you find a penny? All right. Lizards all over the place in here. I can hear them. Hmm?
And bugs.
Yeah, what's that right there?
Got another penny.
Oh. It's a little hard to see, but I'm not sure what kind of butterfly that is. I thought at first it was a morning cloak, but now I'm not sure. This trail is a little smoother. Not too far from civilization. You can hear the motorcycles. Can't get away from them. Okay. Another cool looking tree.
That's where our bridge starts.
Maybe it just went in a loop.
Maybe. The sign says. Okay. Outdoor recreation access road.
Okay. Definitely some water down there. See if we can see some turtles or some frogs. Ugh, getting hot.
Take the bridge.
Yeah. More trash. Ugh.
Dog lost its tongue small. That's what dogs should have had.
Oh, Jesus.
Somebody was less careful than us.
Yep. Well, they've got this walkway out here for a reason. We must be able to see something. Some kind of critters.
The river over there.
Yeah.
Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, it's not beautiful. It's disgusting. But I'm sure the wildlife love it. A little palm tree growing,
Yep.
just like the one in our yard. Oh, what'd you see? What'd you see?
I'll probably move this one into their picture.
Hmm.
Look.
Oh, duckies.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at them go. There's the duckies.
You protecting it from all those rapist stuff?
You guys looking for a nesting site? Whoop, whoop, here comes the third male. Nope. Don't know that you're welcome. And there's a turtle. Just had all that rain. So here's the Grand LA River.
Famous LA River.
Famous LA River. Thought I'd just give you a quick look at it. Yeah, that's where we just came up. Right there. So it is Sunday night. Just finished watching the Super Bowl. My Chiefs, well, I didn't finish watching. I walked out on it because my Chiefs are not doing so well and I didn't want to see them lose, and it was very sad. So, but these are the 3 items I have to ship tomorrow. I did have a 4th item, which was a pair of black crystal, black glass beaded necklaces, but when I pulled them from inventory and opened the little baggie they were in, I realized one of them was broken. So I'm glad it broke for me and not for my customer. So I sent her a note. I refunded her money. I will restring it tomorrow, and then I will give her the opportunity to buy it again if she'd like to. That was a little sad, but oh well. And then I have one additional sale that just came through, but it requires a trip to inventory, which I'm not going to do tonight. So that one will have to ship on Tuesday. But here we have the sterling silver Art Nouveau picture frame. So tiny and sweet. It's got the little lever back on it. The little easel back, I mean. That sold for $62 plus a 10% discount because she's one of my YouTubers and she used her coupon code, which is YouTube Thanks, all one word. Anybody who watches my YouTube channel can use that coupon code to get a 10% discount for any purchase over $25, I think it is. And then this is a jadeite pendant that's going, I think, to China, if I can ever get the shipping to work out. And that sold for $32. And then these are some Silvertone cowboy earrings, cowboy boot earrings. I don't know. Oh, they are signed. Oh, see, you can see right there, they're signed. I think they're pewter. Anyway, they are artisan made. Very cute. $19 on those. And that concludes my weekly vlog. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll be back next week with another one. See you soon. Oh, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and comment if you care to. Like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's it. Everybody stay safe.